We the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to be covering the potential of Chainlink reaching all-time highs by the end of the year. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis for Ethereum, BTC and basic attention token. I'm also going to be covering Atom, also known as Cosmos, with the recent listing of Coinbase and what the potential upside targets can be. But before I jump in this video, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Telegram, guys. Currently we're at 774 subscribers. Once we get to 800 subscribers, guys, I will do a crypto giveaway to one of you, to one of the 800 followers that I currently have. One of you will win a crypto of your choice, so get subscribing. The link is in the description. So first of all, I'm going to start off with Chainlink. So for the guys that have been following me for a little while, guys, you would know that I, from round about this point here, since we had a breakdown of this support here, I gave a target of roughly about this zone here, which coincides with an area of previous support. So I gave this price target here and I said, look guys, this will be an area I've been accumulating. And as you can see, this turned out to be the most perfect area of accumulation. We quickly bounced off, and then I gave another target of this downsloping resistance, where price has been forming lower highs after lower highs, and currently price is attempting to break above. And also we've had the news of Coinbase, and I also mentioned this last week. I mean, the CEO of Binance, he said that they will be listing the top 20 coins as a futures contract, where you'll be able to use up to 75x leverage. I'm sure there's a few exchanges out there, but none as big as Binance offering this. So I believe this will add a lot of liquidity to the market. And currently, where momentum is, I mean, also on the 3-day chart, we can see we have now crossed bullish. I mean, the bullish crossover on this has been a great indicator of momentum of price. As you can see, when we crossed over here and stayed above bull run, as soon as we crossed under bear market, again, we crossed over here. Again, we had a nice little surge in price. Again, bearish crossover, bear market, and we've now crossed bullish. And also we're above the 20-day simple moving average, again, which has been another good indicator of where current price momentum is. So if we do happen to break above this down sloping resistance, my first target has to be a retest of this recent high here, which is roughly about $3.10 if I'm not mistaken. And then we could be looking for price to be ranging within this zone here. However, if you do break above, the most obvious zone here is a retest of this cluster of candlesticks here of roughly about $4, and possibly a retest of all-time high. If we do have this confirmed bull run that everyone is expecting, with especially with BTC, the upcoming halving, I believe it will drag the rest of the altcoin market up it, and I believe Chainlink will be one of the front runners on the next bull run if we do have it. And once this all-time high is eclipsed, guys, of $4, then you could be looking at about all-time highs of roughly about $8 and beyond, guys, because the price can be in, once it's in the discovery zone, guys, it will just depend on where people's appetite is, the current momentum, the current euphoria that will be in the crypto market at the moment. Don't forget, in 2017, beginning of March, Ethereum was roughly about $16, and then we ended up by the end of the altcoin run of Ethereum being valued at $1,400, guys. So that nothing will surprise me in this crypto market, to be honest, guys. Anything is possible, and as we're still on the infancy stages of this bull run, if we do have it confirmed, guys, I believe $4 will be absolutely eclipsed in the next bull run for Chainlink. Next up, have Ethereum. Again, Ethereum has been very bullish lately. I mean, they have announced a lot of to tackle a lot of the issues of scalability. We have a lot of updates coming soon, and going back to the technical analysis side of it, guys, we had a ascending triangle So then the channel was upsloping support and a flat line of resistance. And as soon as we had a break, you can see we had a break, retest, and then price rocketed up in price. And now it looks like we're forming some kind of bull flag here with a break of this downsloping resistance, guys. And I've took the measurement of this, the whole bull flag here, and it takes us exactly to this area of previous consolidation before we broke down below this region, which confirmed further downside. So my upside targets currently are to hit the up 16% of roughly about $190 to $193. But like I've said time and time again, no pattern is valid without confirmation. A confirmation will be a strong break with volume and a candle closure above this to take price to these higher regions. So at the moment, I'm more bullish on Ethereum than BTC, which I'm going to be going over to on my next chart. Over to BTC. I gave a analysis on my Telegram, guys, with price being above the moving average being a good indicator of what's to come. And so far, we've had this bullish surge here. Again, very similar, could be forming some kind of bull flag. I mean, we've got our top line resistance of 9,200. Just want to show you why this zone is interest. So we have this zone here of a cluster of candles where price consolidated, but as soon as we broke under, price fell all the way roughly to about $6,600. We've broken above our first line of resistance. We've broken above downsloping resistance that's been long standing for roughly about 9 months. So the next line of obvious resistance is roughly about 9,200. But I remember roughly about $6,000 here, where price thought was going to struggle to go above this region here, and price absolutely accelerated and cut through it like a butter through knife. Sorry, a knife through butter. Sorry about that, guys. So at the moment, this was an area of interest. If we do break above it, I will be very, very, very bullish on price for BTC and for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. So currently target is a break of this 9,200, but also it won't surprise me if we have another retest of this downsloping resistance. So we've broken up. Previous resistance now becomes new support before accelerating higher going into the Bitcoin halving come May 2020. Next up, we have basic attention token, guys. Very similar to Chainlink. Back in December, I gave a target from roughly about, actually it was end of November, I gave a target of roughly about 15 cents. I said, guys, I'm not buying any more basic attention until we hit 15 cents. Look where price came to, bam, exactly to 15 cents. This arrow has been left there since December, and look where price went to the 382 of roughly about 23 cents. And what I like to see, we found rejection here, but we found support on the 50% retracement on the fib trend, guys. So it could be resistance, found some support, and then we could be attempting for another break higher to retest this upper region. If we do break above these double rejection top guys here, I believe anything from 42 cents to roughly about the recent high of 49 cents would be possible if we do take out this region, because it has been a long-standing resistance. Next up, I've got Atom, also known as Cosmos. Binance has quickly just announced they're about to launch it on the Coinbase app. Once again, this is always bullish for price, so I'm going to do a quick analysis on what I'm kind of expecting to happen. So as you can see, we have this nice line of support here. If I just tidy this up here, and currently price is still, we're making higher lows and we are making higher highs, but we could be forming a possible upwards channel, guys. If I just clean this up here, it looks like we're forming some kind of channel here, guys. A break above this will be very bullish for price. With a strong break, we could be retesting the highs of roughly about $6 to $7, guys. However, if we do break below this region, we could be looking for a support, local support of this region back down here. Excuse me. But at the moment looks like price will be ranging within this zone here, but also looks like a rising wedge, guys. So at the moment, I'm not convinced of this move unless we get an actual break above or below, and that will kind of confirm the bias for the time being. So hope you like this quick brief video, guys. Just wanted to give a little update on what's with current price action, what I'm kind of expecting, and the potential of Chainlink going to all-time highs. Let me know what you think. Do you hold Chainlink? Do you think these coins have a lot of potential if we do have a bull run in 2020? Also, once again, to get all my up-to-date trades and analysis on my Telegram, don't forget to give me a follow on the Telegram, and the link is in the description. Like and subscribe this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris over and out.